Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to swap USDT from Tonkeeper. For that, open your Tonkeeper wallet and here on the home page, tap on the swap button. Now once you tap on swap, you will be landed on the swap page of the Tonkeeper wallet. Here, as we want to swap our USDT, in the send tab you need to tap on this arrow button and here you need to select USDT. Then in the receive section you need to tap on it and you just have to receive any of the tokens that you want. So let's say I have selected this particular token over here, which is BTC25. So after selecting it, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to swap into this coin that you have selected and then tap on the swap button over here. After that, you just have to wait for some time until your transaction is completed, and once it is completed successfully, you will be able to easily swap your USDT on Tonkeeper wallet. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.